be a Neil Arce in this world full of Luis Manzano. Charot! Magalit sa akin. What's up mga lalabs? It's me again, Tammy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so that you won't miss any of my videos. So mga lalabs ko, pasensya na, medyo yung ilaw ko is parang may nagre-reflect. Try ko ayusin. So, hindi kasi ako ready na gumawa ng reaction video right now. Bigla lang kasing nag-trending ngayon. So, ayoko magpahuli sa mga trending topics right now. So, alam nyo na siguro to. Ganun ako ng ganun. Congratulations to Miss Angel Locsin. Kala mo close. I've been a fan of Angel Locsin for being a strong woman ever since she dated a lot of guys before. And yung pinaka-recent ex niya, we all know it's Luis Manzano. And of course, gumawa siya ng ingay, yung relationship, yung infidelity, gumawa ng ingay in social media in the Philippines, ayan, in show business. I've been a fan of her because I too have experienced a lot of heartbreaks before. That's why I really admire her strong personality. And right now, we all know that she's currently dating Neil Arce. Neil Arce, by the way, is a film producer. And Angel Locsin is now 34 years old. So, madalas kong iniisip nung dineclare nila yung relationship nila nung February of 2018. So, 1 year ago na tumatanda na si Miss Angel Locsin and kailan siyang kapakasal, ganyan. And dati naisip ko, bakit kaya why pretty girls? Sino pa yung mga maayos, pretty girls, ayan, sila pa yung niloloko, madalas niloloko. So, yan yung mga madalas ko naisip. And, nung lumabas yung trending news right now, na she's currently engaged na, ayan, they uploaded the pictures on Instagram, like kanina madaling araw yata yun. I felt so happy for her, kasi, ayun nga, she's already engaged, and she's going to be married na, ayan, at her age, of course, she has to be married na din. And, gusto ko lang mag-comment, of course, na wala talaga sa tagal ng relasyon yan. Neil Arce dated Maxine Magalon for 2 years. After that, Bella Padilla for 5 years. That's what I researched a while ago. And right now, he is currently dating Angel Locsin, and they're now engaged. So, wala talaga sa tagal yan. 1 year ago pa lang nilabas yung relationship nila. They confirmed their relationship. And then, right now, they are currently engaged already. And Angel Locsin, again, dated a lot of showbiz guys before, including Luis Manzano, Miko Soto, ayan. Yeah, I'm happy for her kasi nga, right now, ayan, after the heartbreak, of course, hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung pinagdaanan niya. But a lot of us experience heartbreaks already, and we all know it's not easy. Okay, so it's not easy. That's why yung feeling na may gustong magpakasal sa'yo is very, very nakaka-overwhelm siya. So, with my previous relationship, I had experienced that one, and it's a good feeling actually. That's why, ayan, gumawa talaga ako ng short reaction video about it because I wanted to congratulate them actually, and I wanted to react about this trending news or topic right now. So, ayun lang mga lalabs. So, para sa atin mga girls, ayan, don't lose hope, lalo na sa mga nakalanas ng heartbreak. Hindi lahat ng lalaki manloloko. Ayan, naniniwala po ako doon. Kahit I've been through a lot already, ayan, hindi lahat ng lalaki manloloko. Naniniwala pa rin ako na rare merong taong hindi manloloko at merong taong magmamahal sa'yo. Kasi hindi lang naman lalaki ang niloloko eh. Right now, mga girls din niloloko na. So, let's just pray. And of course, God's still writing the perfect love story for us. If hindi pa dumadating yung para sa'yo, pray lang ng pray, and I know, meron si God or si Lord na nilaan for you. So that's it mga lalabs ko. Ayan, congratulations to Mr. Neil Arce and Angel Locsin for the engagement. So thank you very much, and mga lalabs, wait for my other videos and vlogs upcoming. I'm going to upload every day na. Ayan, so keep on watching. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again next time. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so that you won't miss any of my videos. I love you with the love of the Lord. God bless.